afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon, teacher.
How are you?
I'm
I'm
good.
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 So, our subject for today is math, and our topic for today is about decimals. You know what is a decimal?
Yes.
Okay. So, in this lesson, we're going to study about place values, reading and writing decimals, writing the expanded form of decimal numbers, comparing decimals and ordering decimals. So what is a decimal? A decimal is a way of writing a number that is not whole. Decimal numbers are in between numbers. For example, 10.4 is in between the numbers 10 and 11. It is more than 10, but less than 11. A decimal is similar to a fraction. It's not a whole number. Rather than saying 1/2 or 1/2, we can say 0.50. Instead of writing 1/10 or 1/10, we can say 1/10 or 0.1. It's simply another way of fraction. So let's go with place value system. A place value refers to the value of a digit in a number. The value for each number is computed using the position of numbers, starting from right to left. We can understand the notation used in the place value using an example. So here is an example. 4,986.74. So in place value system, what is the value of 4?
Thousands.
Okay, thousands. How about 9?
Hundreds.
Hundreds. 8?
Tens.
Tens.
Tens. 6? What is the place? Okay, ones.
One.
How about the number 7? So we have 1,000, hundreds, tens, ones. What is the next value? Place value. Okay. The next value after or on the right of a decimal point is called tenths with th. Okay. We add th. So after tenths, we have
Hundreds.
okay, hundreds and so on. After hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and so on. So let's try. What is the place value of the underlined number?
Tens.
Ten.
Tens. Next.
Thousand.
Thousands.
Thousands. Very good.
Hundreds.
Hundreds.
Tens.
Tens.
Tens. Very good. Oops. Okay.
Tens.
This is tens. Next.
Hundred. Hundreds.
Hundred.
Hundreds. Okay.
Tens.
Tens.
Hundred.
Hundreds.
Hundreds. Okay.
Thousand.
Thousand.
Ones.
Ones.
One. Hundreds.
Hundreds.
Okay.
Tens.
Tens.
Tens. Okay. So we'll continue with our next topic, which is writing and reading decimals. Okay. So we write it as like this. We read this as 0.35, or we can also say 0.35 hundredths. Okay, 35 hundredths. Because the last place value is in the hundredths place. Next, how do we read this one?
Zero point 78.
Okay, very good. 0.78 or 78 hundredths. Next, 2 point
เรียนบุญญาไหมของนี้จัง
โอ้ยคุณ
เคยเล่นแบบนี้บ่อยเหรอ
Zero
ไม่
six.
เคยเล่นเลย
อันนี้ไม่มีที่แอบ
แกไม่มี
period
อะไรนะ
ที่ดักให้มันจับได้จริง
please mute your microphone. Thank you so much.
ว่าแม่ถ่ายไปไหน
Okay, how do we read this one?
2.06.
Okay, it's 2.06. Next, ready?
49.82.
Okay, 49.82. I will choose somebody to answer. Tan. How do we read this number?
125.47. 125.47.
Next, okay, C game. Let's call on C game.
0.03.
0.03. Okay, very good. Next number. Who wants to answer? Please raise your hand. Yes. San.
25.09.
Okay, very good. 25.09. Let's try. Let's call on Boa. Okay, Boa. How do we read this number?
714.
Okay, 714.32. Next. Kiki.
12.03.
12.03. Okay, next. C game.
Yes. 933.87.
Okay, 933.87. Very good. How about the others? Max.
Okay.
How do we read this number?
60.05.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Next, Blue Day.
2,222.22.
Okay, very good. So 2,222.22. Next. Oh, okay, that's the last number. So let's go on with writing the expanded form of decimals. Who wants to read this one? Who wants to read? Yes, Jenny.
The expanded form notation for the decimal numbers is the mathematical expression to show the sum of the values of each digit in the number.
Okay, thank you so much. Next sentence. Let's call figure.
ว่าเลย to write the expanded form of any number. Let's see how we use the place value system.
Okay. So this number. This is an example. So what is the place value of number 2? Anyone?
100.
100. So the value of 2 is 200. And what is the value of number 3?
30 and
10.
8.
10. So 3 will be 30. What is the place value of 8?
Ones.
Ones. Plus, let's go to the decimal place. What do you think we will write here?
The decimal we need plus the like 0.0
be
plus 0.4.
0.04. 0.04. If there's a number before number 4, so we will write it here first. But in this number, there is no number on the 10th place. So we move to the 100th place. Another example. So we have 3,245.89. So what is the place value of number 3?
Thousands.
1,000. So what is the value of 3?
3,000.
Okay, 3,000. Now what is the place value of 2?
100.
What is the value of 2? What is the value of 2?
200.
Okay, 200. What is the place value of 4?
Tens.
10. So what is the value of 4?
40.
40. What is the place value of 5?
Ones.
Ones. What is the value of 5?
5.
5. Now here. What is the place value of 8?
10.
Tens. So what is the value of 8 here?
0.8.
0.8.
0.8 or 0.08?
0.8.
Okay,
0.8.
0.8. And the last, number 9. What is the place value of 9?
And
100s. So what is the value of 9?
100.
0.09.
Okay, 0.09. Did you understand?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's try. I will call your name, or you can raise your hand if you want to answer. You can only answer once so that we can give chance to others. Okay? Yes, Kiki. What is the expanded form?
700 plus 10 plus 4 plus 0.3.
Okay, thank you so much. Next, number. Who wants to answer? Okay, Jenny.
200 plus 50 plus 8 plus 0.6 plus 0.04.
Okay, very good. It's 200 plus 50 plus 8 plus 0.6 plus 0.04. Next number.
100 plus 70 plus 9 plus 0.7.
Okay, very good. See again. 100 plus 70 plus 9 plus 0.7. Next.
Ticker đi chưa ticker.
Figure. Okay, figure. How do we write the expanded form?
40 plus A plus 0.3
Plus
ก็ plus แล้วก็ 0.08
okay, very good. So 40 plus 8 plus 0.3 plus 0.08. Next. Sun.
500 plus 18 plus 7 plus
0.
0.2 plus 0.06.
Very good. Okay. Next number. So let's go with comparing decimals. So how to compare decimal? The rules for comparing decimal numbers is as follows. 1. Compare the whole number part first. Compare the digits in front of the decimal. If they are different, then compare the number as you would do for any whole number. If they are the same, then go to the next step. Compare the tenths place. If they are different, then compare those numbers as you would for whole number. If they match, then move to the next digit. Compare the hundreds place. If they are different, then compare those digits as you would for whole numbers. If they match, then move to the next digit. So in comparing decimals, we will compare numbers from left going to the right. Now let's try. We have two symbols for comparing. We have lesser than and greater than. Remember,
greater than
lesser than and greater than. Let's compare. 3.32 and 4.39. Greater than or lesser than?
Lesser than.
Lesser than.
Okay, lesser than. How about this number? 28.63 and 28.36.
Greater than.
Greater than. Very good. Next, 5,678.72. 5,768.79. Greater than or lesser than?
Lesser than.
Okay, very
Lesser
good.
than.
It's lesser than. 35.64 and 28.72.
Greater than.
Greater than. Very good. 1,245.48 and 1,145.72. Greater than or lesser than?
Greater than.
Greater than. 762.53 and 753.42. Greater than or lesser than?
Greater than.
Greater than. Very good. 9.80 and 19.8. Greater than or lesser than?
lesser than,
Okay, it's
lesser than,
lesser than.
Less than.
36.54 and 36.98.
Lesser than.
lesser than,
Okay, it's lesser than. Now let's go with ordering decimals. When ordering decimals, always compare the left digit first. For example, which is greater, 2.301 or 2.32? Both numbers have the same have 2 units and 3 lengths, but 2.301 has no hundreds, whereas 2.32 has 2 hundreds. Therefore, 2.32 is greater than 2.301. So we have here ascending order, lowest to greatest, and descending order, greatest to lowest. Again, ascending lowest to greatest, descending greatest to lowest. Okay. Ascending order. Which one comes first?
287.62.
Ascending is from lowest to greatest. Ascending, going up.
92.24.
Okay, 92.24.
93.45.
Okay, very good.
98.64.
Okay, and
200.
87.62. Okay. Next. Descending order. Descending is going down.
$95.92.
Okay, very good.
93.46.
Good.
92.5.
92.51 and 91.
91.24.
Okay, next. Ascending order.
239.
You can just, if they have the same number, the same numbers, the same whole number, you can just tell me their decimal numbers.
39.54.
You can say 0.64, 0.6454, 0.11, 0.07. Which one will comes first? Ascending order. Going up.
0.07.
Okay, 0.07,
0.11.
0.11.
0.11.
0.54.
0.54.
Okay, 0.54 and
0.64.
okay, 0.64. Next. Descending order. What is descending order again? Going up or down?
Down.
Down. Okay, very good.
Down.
Going down. So, our first number will be
247.
okay. Next,
Point 7.
point
246.76.
okay, 77.
246.76.
Okay, and
247.
145.76.
Okay, very good. Next, we have descending order. Which one comes first? They have the same whole number. So we are going to compare the decimal places.
0.99.
0.99.
0.82.
Okay, 0.82.
0.64.
0.64 and 0.23.
0.23.
Very good. Okay, so that's the end of my PowerPoint and our lesson for today. Did you understand?
Oh, I need to leave now.
Yes.
Do you have any questions?
No.
But my
So
battery is low.
that's all for today, and I'll see you again next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye.